This video is over volume of cylinders, cones, and spheres. In this video, we're going to be doing a sphere problem. And so we want our reference note to be to round to the nearest tenth. Now, because it did not tell us to use 3.14 for pi, it did not tell us to use 22/7 for pi, we're going to use the pi button on the calculator. So in this problem, we have our sphere, which is our circle. And in our circle, we have a radius of 7. Now the formula for a sphere is going to be V equals 4 pi r to the third power divided by 3. So we're going to plug in our radius, which is 7 to the third power. And everything else stays the same. That's the only piece that we're replacing. Now we do 7 to the third power first. The 4 and the pi stay the same. 7 to the third power is 343, and dividing by 3 stays on the bottom. Now we're going to jump over pi and we're going to do the numbers first. So 4 times 343 is going to give us 1,372. Pi stays the same, and dividing by 3 stays the same. We can go ahead and divide by 3. 1372 divided by 3 is going to give us an answer of 457.3 repeating, and we keep pi in our answer. Now, this is in terms of pi, because remember, we don't round, so we keep the 0.3 repeating, and pi is still in our answer. Had the question asked for the answer in terms of pi, that would have been our final step. But because it does not, we're going to continue on. Keep the 457.3 repeating in the calculator and simply hit times the pi button. When you do that, you get an answer of 1436.75, on and on and on and on and on. But we want to round to the nearest tenth, which would be the 7. The 5 tells us to round up, 5 and higher, round up. So that 0.7 rounds up to a 0.8. 1436.8 would be our final answer.